Elon Musk has just revealed this news about the Shiba Inu coin replacing Dogecoin and hitting the 1 cent mark. The CEO of Tesla has been a long supporter of cryptos, and now he's planning to back up Shiba Inu for the value that it provides. Stick around until the end of the video to find out more about this and the rise of the Doge killer. Shiba Inu's team likes to tout its SHIB coin as being the Dogecoin killer. SHIB coin could certainly continue to trend upward, and it could be a Dogecoin killer due to the value that it provides in the crypto world. Being the Dogecoin killer will certainly give Shiba Inu a push in validation in the long term. SHIB started catching investors' attention in April when it was trading around 65 Satoshi units. Yes, those are a lot of zeros. Shiba Inu hit an all-time high of 38 Satoshi units on May 10th, but since then it has been sliding downhill. Now, SHIB is currently trading at around 75 Satoshi units, down by about 80% from the record high. Nonetheless, the token is still up over 1,000% since April. More to the point, there are plenty of other altcoins whose prospects won't fade as the meme crowd loses interest. That's not to say there aren't interesting near-term price movements in Shiba Inu for eagle-eyed crypto speculators to trade. The ability to trade SHIB coins on Coinbase was delayed due to technical issues. Naturally, the price dropped. However, Shiba Inu is currently trading about 10% lower than it was pre-announcement, though this won't matter much in the end. Let's take a look at Shiba Inu's dedicated fanbase. Yes, its large, vibrant community doesn't make investing in Shiba Inu less risky, but it can certainly be a powerful force to be reckoned with. If anything can bring SHIB closer to the moon, it's the community surrounding it. However, it might take some time for SHIB to prove its value to doubters. Just look at Dogecoin, which many people still believe to be a scam despite Doge being about 8 years old. Doge began as a community-led coin in 2013, and it continues to be a force to be reckoned with because of its huge growing cultural presence. From Elon Musk's tweets to NASCAR appearances, the original Shiba Inu-based crypto has survived to this day because the people have driven it to its current heights over 350,000%, higher than it was at its lowest point in 2015. The word meme pops up everywhere, but it's important to remember exactly what it means when it comes to meme coins. According to the Cambridge English Dictionary, a meme is an idea, image, video, etc. that is spread very quickly on the internet. Some cryptos will grow because they are technological innovators that are benefiting the whole of blockchain technology in society. Ethereum added functionality to the tech behind Bitcoin, for example. That's why Ethereum is so popular to this day. It's advanced technology and benefited those who adopted it. Other altcoins that get noticed these days improve on some aspects of Ethereum. SHIB coin is one of the tokens that is doing this innovation. It has already launched its own decentralized exchange, and the devs are planning to build Shiba Inu's own platform. As a result of this, the SHIB coin will find its way to the top, or wherever it ends up. Starting as a coin that lived only by the community, now Shiba Inu is bringing some real-world value. Despite setbacks and not being listed in Coinbase yet, the Shiba Inu coin is holding on strong. Doge has dealt with far worse setbacks and survived. A delay like this won't make any difference in the long term. SHIB coin will undoubtedly rebound, and maybe it'll experience further impressive gains moving forward. Maybe it'll even take out Doge. The widely followed token Shiba Inu has been on a roller coaster ride. Since the beginning of 2021, altcoins have increased their prominence in the crypto. There are well over 10,000 crypto assets, including altcoins, within several categories such as decentralized finance or DeFi platforms like Ethereum, stablecoins that are pegged to assets such as Tether, and smaller currencies like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. Investing in cryptocurrencies generally means more volatility and higher risks compared to stocks. Yet, cryptos also offer greater potential for reward. For instance, so far this year, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin have returned 54%, 317%, and an eye-popping 5,146% respectively. Meanwhile, Nasdaq 100 index is up 16% year-to-date, and S&P 100 index grew by 18% YTD. Given the lucrative returns that have already been realized, we believe the hype on SHIB has not even started yet. Nonetheless, long-term investors who could tolerate the choppiness and whole risk-return profiles allow buying cryptos could still consider buying the dips in Shiba Inu. And let's not forget that Elon Musk just announced recently that he's backing Shiba Inu and that this token might even replace Dogecoin since it's headed to the 1 cent mark. That means you could potentially increase your earnings by 1,000 times or more if you get in the coin right now. Shiba Inu is making a lot of tech moves that are giving value to the coin every day, thus the recognition from major players in the market like Elon Musk. However, stick around to find out more about this at the end of the video. Now, a little bit of a backstory on the Shiba Inu coin and how it came to the point where it is now. Shiba Inu Token aka the Dogecoin killer, was launched in August 2020 by an anonymous creator named Ryoshi. SHIB coin features the Japanese hunting dog Shiba Inu, similar to the mascot of Dogecoin. For those who might not be familiar with this, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu made an incredible run-up in price this year, with Dogecoin billing itself as an open-source, peer-to-peer digital currency favored by Shiba Inus worldwide. It was created in late 2013 by software engineers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer. They wanted to highlight the investor hype in cryptocurrency markets at the time, and then 2021 became the year of Dogecoin riches. SHIB's white paper, known as the Wolf Paper, defines the token as an experiment in decentralized, spontaneous community building. Shiba Inu started with a supply of 1 quadrillion coins, but it gave away 50% to Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin for safekeeping, while locking the rest 50% on the centralized finance platform Uniswap. In May, Buterin announced burning most of the gifted coins by transferring them to an inaccessible digital wallet. He would also take the rest to charity. SHIB's white paper was updated accordingly after the development. Right now, Shiba Inu is gaining acceptance. SHIB is currently among the top 40 cryptocurrencies thanks to its market capitalization that stands at $3 billion. In other words, despite the recent decline in price, investor interest in this coin is still intact. Dogecoin-inspired Shiba Inu has gradually been gaining traction in the crypto space. It has also proven to be more than a puppy meme coin by growing its own ecosystem differently from Doge USD. To begin with, SHIB, an ERC20 token created on the Ethereum blockchain, can interact with popular DeFi projects that also run on the Ethereum blockchain. Shiba Inu launched its decentralized exchange called Shiba Swap as well. Additionally, the Shopping.io platform announced the integration of SHIB tokens for purchases on Amazon and Walmart. More exciting news came recently on the internet, which said the Shiba Inu token would be available for trading on Robinhood. However, the launch is still delaying until further notice due to technical issues. For now, SHIB is listed on trading platforms Binance, Capital.com, and several others. In late July, eToro, the online broker with more than 20 million users, announced SHIB became available for trading. Rising demand from investors affected eToro's decision. All these developments should strengthen Shiba Inu's position in the cryptocurrency ecosystem, and it's very easy to say whether SHIB could see a new record high anytime soon. We will see Shiba Inu coin jump to prices that we have never seen before. It's inevitable. With enough luck on your side, you could potentially see your fortunes change, especially if the altcoin gets the backing of a celebrity like Elon Musk. Okay, so Elon Musk took on Twitter and said, quote-unquote, that Shiba Inu is innovating its ecosystem, something that Dogecoin is behind at. Both of these coins are currently supported by the platform of Ethereum, but Shiba Inu developers are looking to create their own original platform for the token. This will not only reduce the fees, but will make the coin independent. So besides the Shiba Inu rally that we're all expecting, now we have Elon Musk backing up the Shiba Inu coin. Imagine this, we get a push from the crypto bull run, then we have developers launching Shiba Inu's own ecosystem, and then finally we have Elon Musk replacing Dogecoin for Shiba Inu. That would mean that we could with no doubt hit that 1 cent mark even by November 2021. However, we have to wait and see for all of that to unfold. In the meantime, watch this next video to find out why you should be holding 100 million Shiba Inu coins before the rally happens.